Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So by the title of the video, you already know what this video is about, which I'll be trying some new products. Well, it's new to me. Mel Cosmetics Lipsticks, the Cab palette, the KVD Vegan Beauty Locket foundation, and this liquid eyeliner from Pharmacy. So if you want to see how everything turned out and my thoughts about everything, keep on watching. Hi, so I'm going to show you what I got new to me at least. The KVD Vegan Beauty Locket foundation. This is in light 48 neutral. It's really hard to choose my foundation color online. It's very difficult. So hopefully this time I did better. I doubt it, but I hope so. So this was on special. I think it had a 10% off. I can't remember. And it came out to $27. I think originally it retails for $38 or $37. I'm not sure. Ooh, I love the packaging. Okay, how do I open this? It says 24-hour wear, full coverage, transfer resistant matte finish. What do I do with this? How do I even... What is this thing? What is this thing? I'm supposed to pull that... fancy! Here's the pump. I already primed my face. So let's see what color this is. Oh, it's not... I think it's pretty good. Let me see. Oh, it's not that bad. I've never tried this. I mean, I know it's been out for a long time, and I've heard great things about it, but I've never... Oh, I took out a lot. But I've never tried it, so we'll see. Let's see. Okay, it's not a perfect match, but it's not bad. It's workable. I could have gone a little bit lighter, a shade lighter. I am all about matte foundations. I'm not sure if they have this one in a dewy version. It is full coverage. Yep. What I'm going to try to do is lighten it up a little bit with concealer to see if I could get a better match. Which I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is the lightest one I have. So hopefully this works. I'm going to set it real quick with Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I set everything with the Ciate Translucent Powder. I received in my BoxyCharm this palette from CAB or KAB Cosmetics. And I've never tried them either, so I'm curious to see how it works. I'm going to go first with this color. This is the Moda Crease. I'm going to put that all over the lid and the crease. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if they're new or not. If you know, please let me know in the comments down below. The foundation so far feels really good. It's not heavy at all. It's not creasing. And it's matte, but not too matte where you feel your face dry. So that's a plus. And now I'm going to take that same color underneath the lower lash line. I'm going to take this color Cocoa and concentrate that in the crease. I'm gonna take that same color with a smaller brush on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this shimmer called Sunset and put it on the lid. I'm gonna try my finger first. I don't see anything. Oh, there it is. It's very dry. Let me try a brush. Nothing. Let me spray my brush. Are they all like that? They all feel the same. I'm gonna try this Pharmacy eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I've actually tried this one previous and I really like it. I'm not gonna do a wing, just a simple black line. For my waterline, I'm using this one by NYX. It's black. I'm gonna pop some lashes, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I just put some outer corner ones. Lately, I've been liking the ones that are just in the outer corner. It sort of lifts it up and it elongates the eye, which I'm enjoying at the moment. Those are by Salon Perfect in style 614. So now for lips. I'm excited the most about this because I've never tried Mel Cosmetics Lipsticks and I had to. They came out recently with new shades, which is, I'll tell you right now, these retail for $22. If I'm not mistaken, Sin City, which is this one, it's new, and Double D's. And I also bought this one, which was more nude. This is not new, but I liked it because I do like nude lipsticks and they're all matte. So I'm really excited and I love this box. Look at this box. Isn't that gorgeous? It's fun. So the first shade, let's try the lightest one. This one's called Tease. And the other one is called Sin City, which is the deepest one I got. And Double D's, which I don't have. That's too heavy. I like this one. I don't know which, Double D's it is. Let's just see. Love that color. Love it. It's matte for sure. It feels matte. I like this color though. The color is nice. It feels very matte when you apply it, but it doesn't feel dry on your lips. You know what I mean? It feels very comfortable. So this is the final look. What do you think? I got some thoughts. Let's get into it. The foundation. Love it. So far so good. I'll keep you posted. I already dirtied it. I'll keep you posted in the description box down below if it lasted on me, if it got cakey, if it separated or anything like that. All that good stuff I'll let you know in the description down below. The palette, the Cap Cosmetics, it has pretty colors. I will say the matte that I use, I think I used 2 mattes. Yeah, I used 2 mattes and they worked really good. I have no problems with them. The matte formula is really good. It's really easy to work with and blendable. And the color you see is the color you get. But those shimmers are dry. They're really dry. I tried with my finger. That usually works with everything. I tried with a brush. Nothing. I tried wetting the brush. And I got a little bit of payoff at the end. I mean, you can hardly see it. And I had to really pack it in there. And like really get my brush in there and get it wet a couple of times so I could get a little bit of payoff. And I tried one on my eyeballs, of course, on my eyelids, but I tried the texture on the rest of them, and they're all the same texture. So, but the mattes are good, so I don't know how I feel. I feel like 50-50 on this palette. I don't know. I'm split in this one. I have no idea. The lipsticks, I'll let you know down below if they lasted. They're not sticky. They dry down completely and they're comfortable. They don't feel dry at all. When you apply them, they feel really dry, but they don't feel dry on your lips, so that's good. And the colors are really good, so I like that, and it's true to color. I also tried, not for the first time, for the second time, the Pharmacy liquid eyeliner, which this brand I'm very curious about, and I want to try other products they have because I've heard good things about them, so I know this is good. Overall, I got hits, I think, and maybe one miss. Could it be a miss? I don't know. I don't know. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell to get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.